to show you how I make my niacinamide toner. So few days back I asked you all what DIY you would like to see and most of you voted for niacinamide toner. Niacinamide is great for you if your skin is very oily and you get lots of acne, if you have hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone.
Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.
Making niacinamide serum or toner at home is quite safe because it is quite pH stable. If you are not into DIYs and don't want to use such active ingredients in your DIYs, please ignore this video. There are many niacinamide toners and serums available. You can use them. If you ask me, DIY niacinamide toners and serums works great on me. And if you want to see the process of how I make my niacinamide toner, please continue watching this video.
For making niacinamide toner, you will require niacinamide powder of any brand. I am using Charco's niacinamide powder. It comes for around 399 rupees and you can make several batches of niacinamide toners with this single pack. So it is really very affordable. You will also require distilled water or rose water. Please do not use tap water for this DIY. Metal-free measuring spoon and metal-free bowl. You are also recommended to use aloe vera gel or glycerin since niacinamide can be a bit drying. In this video, we are going to make 5% niacinamide toner. For making this toner, I am going to take 8.5 tablespoons of distilled water. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to it. And then half tablespoon of niacinamide powder. I am going to mix all the ingredients really well and then transfer it into a spray bottle. You can use any spray bottle or any other bottle of your choice. If you want to use glycerin instead of using aloe vera gel, take 9 tablespoons of water, half tablespoon of glycerin and half tablespoon of niacinamide powder. Now I will show you how I make my niacinamide toner by using a weighing scale. Take 160 gram of water. Niacinamide helps to grow ceramide or lipid barrier of skin, which can in turn help retain moisture. It is good for every skin type. Thirty gram of aloe vera gel. And then 10 gram of niacinamide powder. Again, mix all these really well and transfer it in a bottle. I used a little extra aloe gel here. You can replace some of the quantity with water. To apply this, clean your face well, then pat dry your face. While your face is still damp, apply the toner. Damp skin absorbs vitamins and minerals better than dry skin. Pour the toner on a cotton pad or on your hands and gently dab it on your face and neck. You can spray it on your face by holding the bottle few inches away from your face. Close your eyes tight while doing so. Please don't forget to use your moisturizer after this. If it's daytime, use your sunscreen as well. If you think niacinamide as low as 5% is not effective, it is not true. 5% niacinamide is proven to visibly make a difference to skin without causing any irritation. Higher concentration can be slightly more irritating.
So I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please hit the like button below and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Comment below whether you want me to make more DIY videos. Stay happy and keep glowing always. Bye bye.